Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to all of you who have joined this sum. My name is Ayush Singh, and I'm truly excited to start this learning journey with you. Mathematics is not just a subject for Lanakbak. It is a powerful language that helps us think logically, solve real-life problems, and build a strong foundation for the common seas. Through this channel, my mission is to make maths simple, clear, and enjoyable for everyone. Here you will find chapter-wise important formulas and concept-based problem solving, exam-oriented practice sessions, real-life applications of maths given. Whether you are a student preparing for school or a competitive exam experience or simply someone wants to improve in maths, this channel will support you at every one. I believe that any student can become confident in maths with proper guidance and precision. So don't forget to like, share and mix to both kiya. And most importantly, stay consistent in your learning. Thank you for being here. Let's begin this journey of success in mathematics. Welcome to the channel Ayush Sir Maths Vale, and let's make maths your strongest subject. Here we go.